We are at Little Shop of Toys, RC Hobbs at Daytona Flea Market, and today, whoop, I got my drink there, but we're selling the heck out of these. And we've been selling a lot of dolls. The Monster Highs are very popular. I did order more. This is like the new packaging everybody's kind of audited about, but so I got. Why have you more? Yeah, these are real popular. And we got the NASCAR track. These are really neat. RC tanks. Discontinued Barbie. They only did like 1 year of them or something like that. And then these are a thrift store find that pretty neat. You got these. These are wind-ups. We're selling really good prices. Some of these are worth some cash. Like this one is worth like 50 bucks. I think this is a Fortnite character. In the Hulk. It's really cool. We're selling really good, like $5, $2. But you know, some of these are worth some cash. This is all talking cars and stuff. Kids love that stuff. Robot. Here's the drone. Camera and stuff on it. Let's see.
Hi,
Little robot.
let's have some fun. Press one of the buttons on my tummy.
I better not hit me flying off. He'd be flying off the bin there. And I got my picture in it. I didn't even know I had my picture in the magazine, Flea Market magazine. Oh, these are cute. These are cute. I like these. Yeah. But yeah, we got the new Rustler right here. VXL. Brushless. It's a nice truck. We got these. Tamiya. What's going on? They can put them in the pool and stuff. They're really neat. Oh yeah, we got the exclusive Legos, Legoland stuff. Little mid-figs. Oh yeah. Put this down. These are cool. Let's see. I guess I'll just do it this way. Let's see. It's a really neat truck. It's pinned down in the box, but this is like little mini Lucy. It has the battery and everything in it. But yeah, it's pinned down in the box. Let me get it out. It comes with the batteries and everything. And this is the batteries for the controller. The batteries inside the truck for the trunk. It's a mini Lucy. It's brand new. So this one hand. Oops. Yeah, I'm trying to get these flaps in. It's being a pain in the neck. Just a minute, Tom. I got it. Where's that? Oh, here it is. It's got a legendary thing going on to it. It's brand new. These are like $200. I'm selling for like 150 bucks. Brand new. Lucy. Really nice truck. These are cute. Selling these for like 85 bucks. They're hobby grade. About 40 bucks for that. I built this. About $4.25. This is really cute. All the doors open on it and stuff. There we go. That's a crawler truck. I'm selling it for like 80 bucks. Got the Basher Jeep, 100 bucks. $50 for that guy. He's cool. Let's see.
bike monster truck from Newbright. Full
Those are
function
cool.
radio control with all-wheel 4x4 mega driving power. Snake bike can raise up and drive vertically on its back
I get the
wheels.
Lucy, put it back on the show. But yeah, these are cool, these Lucy's.
Snake bike monster truck.
Put this back.
Fast charging USB system. All
Sorry
batteries
about
included.
this. One hand thing going on here. Don't want to mess anything up. There we go. Forklift. Die-cast RC tanks. They're really cool. One left of these. $50 for that. I got a box and everything for that. Little mini, little Jeeps, RCs. Kinds of stuff. Oh, yeah. These are cute. Yeah, these things. They're so cute. Yeah, that's right. Super cute. I'll see you guys later.